Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Proton Drive in 2026. So if you want the latest features, better performance, and improved security, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open Proton Drive on your device and check which version you're currently using. Next, go to the official Proton Drive website or open the Microsoft Store on Windows or the App Store on mobile. Now search for Proton Drive and see if an update option is available. Next, click the Update button. The latest version will begin downloading and installing automatically. Now wait for the update to finish. Don't close the app while it's installing. Once the update is complete, restart Proton Drive to apply the new changes. Now go back to Settings and confirm that you're running the latest version, and that's it. You've successfully updated Proton Drive. Now you're using the latest features and security improvements. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.